Harold Lasky said, at the bottom, the main passion for which he was moved was the passion for justice. His life was dedicated to take from the shoulders of the people the burden by which it was oppressed. The great constructive gift of Karl Marx to the modern society, socialistic and capitalist alike, is his picture of the inevitability of the society in which poverty and suffering will cease. Karl Marx's ideal has become a challenge to every social system. Even a social system like that of America, which rejects his economies, nevertheless accepts his ideal in his own way. Karl Marx was a man who himself lived in misery and poverty, but gave the world the hope for the complete abolition of misery and poverty. This is the accomplishment of Karl Marx. This is the way in which he has changed the mind of the modern world. Through his momentous theories put forward in his book, Das Kapital. Long live Karl Marx, the prophet of the proletariat. Prophet of the proletariat, Karl Marx wrote a theory which is to overthrow the capitalist system and the capitalist. He thought he has discovered the scientific way of explaining all the social activities. He thought he is the Newton of economics. He suffered greatly poverty and discrimination. So his works bear the brunt of that. Marx has influenced the hundreds and thousands of people throughout the world. He wanted to make the world a place like heaven. And he could raise the hope of many downtrodden people. However, his theories are being questioned now, but it is a fact that his written work has stimulated the whole world in this way or that way. Even the most capitalist country, United States of America, has taken lessons from his book and has changed its society so that there is less of exploitation and more of social services. And that's how they have avoided the inevitable proletariat revolution what Marx promises. We may not agree with Marx's theories, we may question the validity of his theories in the modern times in various ways, but there is no doubt about it that this man had given us a book which has changed the outlook of the world and has done a lot of help to the real poor and downtrodden people, and workers are much better off today, maybe because of the Marx theories. Thank you very much for hearing this lecture.